Ikkinchi juftliklarimiz aniqlandi. ANS va NGT guruhlar. Oldin debatda qatnashganmisiz?
Ha, debatda qatnashganman. Debat juda ham ajoyib.
Qachondan beri Unique Academy'da o'qiysiz?
2023-yil boshlaganman, beginnerdan kelib, 2 yildan beri o'qiyman.
Debatda qatnashganmisiz?
Yo'q, birinchisi bu.
Akademiyada 5 oydan beri o'qiyman. Juda ham yaxshi.
Let me introduce our teammates. Howard.
Also, she's older than us, she knows.
Many places are damaged by this explanation, so there isn't too many.
The space exploration is run in SpaceX owned by Elon Musk, and using Elon Musk's
Information about sun and not.
What the stars step on the moon.
Yeah, there's no country like UAK